Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to add image in header to Wix. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your site editor and I'm going to add a image as a logo here. So I'm clicking on this add and selecting image collection, and I'm selecting this free Wix image option from here. And now I'm going to upload media. You can upload this option, or I'm going to uploading from my computer. So upload or select the photo which you want to add, then click on add to page, and now resize the photo and simply drag and drop the photo to the header. And here you can see I've successfully added image to my header.
If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.